This is elevator number 7, which just seems to advertise itself from going to the restrooms at the Commonwealth building in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's the Otis HydroFit.
Going down.
Didn't realize this one existed last time. Basement. Here we go down. It's a really weird Otis logo and font for the other boards too.
Basement. Level.
Here's the basement. Weird house at level.
Going up.
I guess it also goes to the dog wash and storage. Back up to 1. The basic stainless steel cow. Which kind of HydroFit is this? Non-MRL. Thought it was going to be an MRL.
First floor.
You're back at 1. It's kind of a tin can cow.
Going down.
It says Melon, but it also goes to the rest of the apartments, which have Compass 360, originally Westinghouse circles, and that's going to be it.